Ayan yung vlog.
Hey guys, it's day 2. Ano ba? Hey! Sinura pa talaga. We don't judge. Nasa si JG? Ay, ito.
Laki-laki ng katawan ko. May pangalan pa ako sa likod, di mo nakita. May gusto po akong sabihin sa mga followers ko ba? No, mga followers ko na thank you so much.
What day is it today, Reese?
Huh? August 9th, the last day of SOA. What do you think I should do, chat?
Talk to her.
What if she doesn't want to?
Oh.
Hallelujah!
Hey guys, it's day 2 of SLA. We just woke up and now we're ready to do some more activities. Question: is it wrong to wear shorts during mass?
Guys, the modality. Let's see. Let's compare it to learning. The modality of learning today is face to face. So, if we go to school to learn wearing shorts, does that affect our mindset?
So shorts doesn't have anything to do with how you pray.
For me, it actually benefits us because shorts allows us to have a more comfortable movement in church and in learning in general.
Kailangan mo ng interpreter.
Hey guys, Chase Cloud here. Just remember, stay happy, keep that smile on your face.
So, how will you make your next move? It's like chess, so parang chess. Oh yes. Great answer. Great answer. That's the most important part. Be yourself.
But what if she doesn't want to?
Hindi wag mo ipilit.
No, peel it!
Alright. Bigat naman ng kamay mo. Morning, campers.
Oh! I need my coffee to...
We're eating tapa. Hey guys.
Oh hey, what's up vlog?
Hi guys.
Thank you, may cameo na ako. Thank you.
So how is your second day in SLA?
Sarap ng pagkain. So much better than last SLA. No offense,
Masarap
no
ang pagkain.
offense Kanlubang.
Ano ba yung pagkain doon? Wala ako doon.
Adobo na sobrang alat.
So, nilibre kami. Thank you, Sir Alvin, for this chocolate drink. It's like chalky. But, parang may hinalong chocolates yun. Hindi ko alam. May hinalo ata dito. Let's interview some other people. You know, I never interviewed anyone outside of Don Bosco Makati.
Hi, vlog!
Let's talk to random people. Ay, nangyayawag. Oh, Tres is there. Tres! Mag-interview tayo ng ibang tao. Tara. Anong tatanungin natin sa kanila?
What's your type in a man?
Hell! Yo! No, seryosong matinong tanong.
What's your leader position and why did you pick it?
Good question.
Alam mo kung nasaan silang lahat.
Ano yan? Vlog.
Hi!
Magturo ka lang. Tapos tatanungin ko, what is your leadership position and why? Tol, can I sama you in my vlog? What is your leadership position and why did you pick it?
External PRO.
Why PRO ang pinili?
Because I'm good with communicating with new people.
What leadership position did you choose and why?
Internal
Committee on SOCOM.
Why did you choose that position?
I wanted to be a voice for the student body.
Because, I don't know, I wanted to.
Because you want to lead?
Yes.
Oh yes, okay, good answer. Hi po, pwede po kayo ma-interview for vlog.
Oh, hi.
What is your leadership position and why did you choose it?
Environmental districts.
Why did you choose that position?
Kasi, ko sa kantin namin. Pre, yung mga basura. Paunti ng paunti.
Or kaya naman, marami sila, pero maliit lang.
Oo, maliit lang. Parang mga ganito lang siya kaliit. Eh, ang dami namin. Tapos ganun, isang floor lang.
Up and down pa kami.
So you want to keep the canteens clean? Okay. What leadership position did you choose and why?
I chose technical officer
I chose it because I have passion for it.
You love editing?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. That's good. That's good. Interview. Ito, mag-interview tayo ng maraming tao dito sa paborito kong setting. Doon, Bosco Makati.
Leadership position na pinili ko. Sa pinakalikod. A leader is not a leader when he does not know how to lead.
That's a good answer. What leadership position did you choose and why did you choose it?
What leadership position would you choose or did you choose?
Did you choose?
Vice President.
And why did you choose Vice President?
Because the Vice President is very essential to the President. Diba? Diba? Kailangan tumulong ang Vice Presidente sa Presidente para mag-work sa efficiently.
You are nothing without me.
No, it's not nothing without me. It's like
Wala kaming paki sa'yo kasi
JC! Kita may interview. Okay. Grade 9 rep. Why did you choose grade 9 rep?
Well, honestly, it's my first year as student council, so I figured that why not spend it as the batch rep, learning from others and empowering myself in my batch. It's important to understand na you're not supposed to limit yourself to your position. Kahit anong position, you're able to make a difference and you still have the heart to say.
Good answer. Hey, fist bump. So, from those answers, ano ang pwede nating i-conclude, Trish? Halatang hindi nakinig, nandun lang para mag-interview. What leadership position did you choose and why?
I chose to be the director of Prodigy, even though it's only my second year in that club. I was really already very good at the profession of Prodigy at the time, which, if you didn't know, was the making of films and videography, and I could just sense that there's so many people there that need guidance.
So you want to help them improve their skills?
I want to help them improve their skills for the next generations who come.
That's very good. That's very good.
Improve the output of the school.
Yung next na interview natin, dapat may twist. Hulaan nila anong leader position ko.
What leadership position did you choose and why?
I chose Assistant Culture Minister in order to help my fellow Bosconians understand how important our culture is and how much it means to us that because our culture, it connects to God Himself, so therefore I just want to help my Bosconians understand God through our culture.
So the final question, guess his leadership position.
No.
Ano? Student council. Boy, wag mo sabihin mo.
Ay, grabe ko.
Wala. Grade 7 push. Uy! Ay, ito, tumakas. Oy! Huwag kayo tumakas. Boy, halika dito. One question lang. What is your leadership position and why did you choose it?
Ako yung grade 8 ambassador ng Canluba.
Bakit grade 8 ambassador yung pinili mo?
Ano ba yan? Kasi yun lang.
Yun, okay. Good answer. Fist bump, kuya, fist bump. Nice one. What is your leadership position and why did you choose it? Fine. Mahirap siya. So, you're willing to take on the challenge. Okay. Final question. Guess his leadership position. Vice President!
nakakaya naman sa kanya.
Siya po yung grade 7 rep. Ano na lang, hulaan yung grade level mo. Kasi hindi pare-pareho yung ano eh. Kuya, what is your leadership position and why did you choose it?
Editing.
Oh, why did you choose editing chief in Bosconian Journal?
Because I want to serve and write to the world.
One question lang. What leadership role did you choose and why? Disciplinary. Bakit disciplinary?
Kasi sa akin palagay pinaka-importante. Pati pag ginawa ko yun, mas matutunan ko pa kung paano i-discipline sarili.
Okay, that's good. Pero, last question. Guess this guy's grade level.
Grade 9 ambassador, like, siguro mas nonsense yung grade 9 para lang matulungan yung mga other grade 9.
Alright. Final question lang. Guess this guy's grade level. Ikaw din, kuya. Pwede ka mag-guess. Kung anong grade level nito. Grade 8?
Uy, tinatakan na.
7.
Grade 7. Parang hindi ka mo grade 7. So, what leadership position did you choose and why?
Currently, I am the student council president of Don Bosco College, Canluba, Junior High School Student Council. To be honest, at first, I was really doubting myself kung bakit president president is because I love serving my fellow Bosconians kahit super pagod na ako.
Good answer, good answer. Pero parang narinig mo na, what grade level is this guy? 7. Oh, diba? Wala ka tapos.
Nag-favorite kasi yung
What leadership position did you choose and why?
You asked me this question.
Talaga?
Committee on SOCOM.
Alam, dami ko lang in-interview. Oh my God. Anong grade level yan?
7.
Grade 9? Oh, 7. Tama. Oh. What leadership position did you guys choose and why?
Secretary. Because I want to help the president sa mga maraming gawain.
napili ko yung kasi I want to be like a representation of our whole batch. Our yes. If you were to ask me, I would probably choose secretary because I like writing and I like memorizing other people's names.
Okay. Final question. Guess this guy's grade level.
Grade 10.
Grade 7 po.
You look 9! Actually, you look young. Like you're grade 7, but I assume you're just grade 10. Because like, sometimes people look young for their age.
I chose a representative for Photogil because photography is my hobby and I like to capture moments and make them permanent.
I just being president in our class because obviously I want to serve my fellow classmates in our class, and it's a good feeling serving others.
Finance.
Finance, bad finance.
Finance, but I was assigned to finance. But the reason I was assigned to finance is because I was
Ikaw naman.
gusto ko rin malaman yung discipline.
Bakit?
Since yung mga kaklase ko rin naman ko, medyo ka-vibes ko rin sila.
I chose the assistant prefect for discipline because next year I'm planning to become the president of DB Mambalacan.
So, marami-rami lang din yung in-interview natin, no? Yes? Kaya, ano kaya kaya nating ipulit na aral sa mga sagot na yun?
Dapat maging katulad ko sila kasi tamad ako eh.
Okay, okay.
Ano, sa next
My bad. It's the spice. Oh, what the heck? Yo, what was that, bro?
Wow!
So, Pauling, ano nga ba ang ginagawa natin ngayon?
Okay lang.
Activity 4. Activity. Royal Rush. And it's like Amazing Race. So my strategy is to just play hanggang manalo. I feel like that's a common strategy, pero it's the most optional. It's the most optimal, not optional. It's the most optimal way to win. Our goal is to have as many points as possible. They're called tep-teps. Kuya, baka ma-distract ka, pero ano yung thought process mo ngayon?
Stress.
Ano yung strategy nyo sa puzzle na to?
Critical thinking.
Critical, oh. Here's your Nash, you got Reese, you got Jacob.
But
I'm gonna miss this.
Oh. Aray ko. Kasama to. Oh. Sayang. Okay, watch this. First try.
3, 2, 1.
Boy! Ikaw kaya mag-try.
Alam ko na. Kanina magbayad 10 para natin try. 10 pesos. 10 teps. Pero pwede rin. Oh! Ba't sa tubig?
Ba't bas?
200 yan. Oy, 200 yan. Ano lang makakuha nyo? Oh!
Yak! Bolig, dugyot! Lahat para sa pera. Watch this, guys.
Yan, pasok. 6 tries. Ikaw, 1 last try.
Reese, what is your next strategy for this puzzle?
Hindi ko na gagawin to, boy.
Una na kami.
Bakit?
Minimum dalawa. Minimum dalawa.
Bakit?
Wala po.
Gail, si
Gusto
Kirbida.
ka kasama ni Gail. Gusto ka kasama ni...
Si Kirbida.
Ay!
Gail, dali! Why are you flipping this on me, bro?
What?
Ayoko na ba nasa lista?
Ano ba?
How was your experience in this amazing race?
And why did you pick it?
Wala na
So ayan na nga guys, katapos lang namin sa games. And I got a lot of points. Kasi yung mga games na sinalihan ko is table tennis, yung parang i-balance yung bola. Easy stuff. Yabang. Ang sinalihan ko din is yung mga naipakita ko sa mga clips. So ayun, kakatapos na ng reflection. And right now, we're gonna attend mass. Tapos pagkatapos nun, bye-bye, Don Bosco, Mabalacat. It's a good experience. First and last, SLA. It's bittersweet because knowing it's the last. We have a back-to-back champion, Makati! Ayun, so pagkatapos ng misa, pagkatapos ng awarding, you're finally due for Don Bosco, Makati. Thank you, Don Bosco Mabalacat, for this event. Grabe, successful naman yung event. And we've had a fun time. And my experience was very good, very smooth. And this is gonna be a core memory for me. Say bye to the vlog. Bye-bye! Or baka mag-vlog pa ako pag kakain na tayo. So ito po yung bus namin. It's so small. O hindi tayo kakasya dyan. Yung bag ko nandyan. Kita niyo to guys.
Oh, Bobby!
Hindi kami kasya. Di ba JG?
Doon ako sa may hagdan.
Sige, okay na yan.
Hi vlog, welcome to my guys.
Guys, mainit ba?
Yes!
Oh, pati si Fatty nag-iyan. So, papunta tayo sa... May stopover ba? Saan?
Gutom na tayo.
Oh, lunch time. Kasi ngayon it's 1:22. Grabe yung extension ng event. So where are we?
Nasa Jollibee kami ngayon, boss.
So hindi pa pala nagtatapos ang aming vlog kasi
Saan yun?
we're in a stopover. Sarap ng pagkain. Oh yeah. Mahingin ng fries. Siyempre mahingin ng fries. Paano mag-outro? Long story short, we won. Tama na. That ends it. See you when I vlog again.
Bye, Lucas.
Guys, say bye-bye.